Okay, good morning, student. Today your topic is Khelo India program. Okay, नेशनल इंटरनेशनल गेम्स हो चुका था, एशियन गेम्स हो चुका था, अब है खेलो इंडिया प्रोग्राम। खेलो इंडिया वो स्टूडेंट छोटा सा मैं नॉलेज दूंगी आप लोगों को, छोटी सी बात बताऊंगी। खेलो इंडिया प्रोग्राम या आपके कोर्स में अभी ऐड किया गया है। दिस इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक। ओके, so Khelo India program, the importance of sports and fitness in one's life is inevitable, playing sports included. Team spirit, goal setting, risk taking, leadership skills, etc. Fit and healthy individuals lead to an equally healthy society and strong nations. Sports are an extremely important component for the overall development of any nation. In last few years, India has made steady progress in the field of sports. This potential need to be showcased at a global platform. It's time we inspire young talent, give them top much infrastructure and training of the highest level. We need to include a strong spirit of participation in sports that enables players to demonstrate their true potential. Only then can India realize its dream of becoming a sports supervisor. Superpose. The Khelo India program has been introduced. The Khelo India program has been introduced to revive sports culture in India at the grassroots level. By building a strong framework for all sports played in the country and establish India as great supporting nation. Talented players identified in purity, sport disciplines at various levels by a high powered committee. At various levels by a high power committee will be provided a financial assistance of 5 lakhs per annum for 8 years. Khelo India School games, which are part of Khelo India program, are held in January to February. Under 17 athletes participates across 16 disciplines, which are: first, archery, athletics, badminton, basketball, judo, swimming, volleyball, kabaddi, boxing, football, gymnastics, hockey, kho-kho, shooting, weightlifting, wrestling. Under the preceding shores of Khelo India school games in 2018, they were back in 2019 in a much bigger and better way as Khelo India Youth Games. For the first time, students from colleges and universities also participated with total participation extending 9,000. Objective of Khelo India Games: first, play field development; second, community coaching development; third, state level Khelo India centers; fourth, annual sports competition; talent search and development; utilize and creation upgradation of sports infrastructure; sports for women; prevention of sports amongst people with disabilities; sports for peace and development; promotion of rural and tribal games; physical fitness of school children; support of support to national, state, regional sports academies. Okay, so Khelo India program, just clear.